Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the long-term chart of Histogen Inc. Now, although you can see some very sharp swings, now more specifically, as you can see from the lows of March 2020 to the highs of I think June 2020, it actually went up to 1800% in a 3 months of span time. So if something is giving you a return worth 1800% in a span of 3 months, I mean, you can't expect more than that. But as it goes, that the bigger or the sharper the rise, the sharper the fall, and you can probably see the same thing that has happened in this particular stock as well. Now the upside and downside both are very sharp, but if you are looking at the overall structure, because we are looking at the weekly chart, uh, so it is more or less flat. Now let me show you what I'm actually saying here. So this is what you have as your support, okay, as you can see, and this is another prominent support level. This you may also use as your support. Now on the upside, you have something like this. Okay, so here we are. Now you can see although the movements are very sharp, but it is well within the limit. Okay, now let me show you how you are going to approach this. Now you specifically have 3 support levels. So first will be 1.47, then you have 1.18, and your final support will be at or near to 0.76 or 75. Okay, now if the stock falls below 0.75, because the distance from the current price and 0.75 or 76 is very high, I would say, because in terms of percentage it is actually very high. So if the stock falls below 0.75 or 76, I don't think one should carry any further position on the downside, and one must be very skeptical about it. So you need to look this level or these levels as a support level. So it may be used as a buying opportunity, or if the level breaks then you must think whether to carry your trend further on the downside, or to just close your trend or trade. Now on the upside, if it moves the way it is, then the upside levels that we are looking at here, and if the stock sustain above 1.47, then only we are saying that the levels that we are looking on the upside, you have this one as well. Okay, your first target will be 2.4, then you will have 3.5, you will have 5.15, but it can extend up to 7.9 and 9.4 respectively. So these are the targets that we are looking on the upside. But as I told you, when the move comes, it comes in a very sharp manner and it's not going to sustain. So be mindful of that, and this is very much visible in the chart. Here nobody needs to explain to you. By looking in this chart, you can see that when the trend has started, it actually given you very sharp returns in a very small amount of time, and it works in the same way. And be mindful of the levels, and in any case of doubt, or if you don't find any confidence, then it's better to think before the trade. And let's say you have already entered into the trade, then take decision cautiously and have your complete plan of entry and exit. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.